how to fix GTA 5 loading story mode problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do, it's easy, just go to settings, then go to gaming. After that, just click game mode, enable it, and go back to Xbox Game Bar, disable it, and go to graphics settings, go to browse, then just search for your GTA 5 folder, and then once you find it, just click GTA 5 and click add, and then click on it here, go to options and make sure to select high performance. You will find it like that. Select high performance and click save. And now just go back and restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, right click here, go to task manager, and then right click on just close all applications that takes your memory. Click on memory, and now you can see the applications that takes your memory. Right click on it and click end task, and that's it. Close all the unnecessary applications, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.